Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes guys, starting today is the OST week, the original soundtrack week. Now thank you for all your suggestions, and out of all the suggestions I have chosen 7 tracks. Now the one which are most requested, now the way I made the selection is based on how many requests for those tracks were there. So there are 7 tracks that I've chosen. The first one that I'm going to be reacting to was the most requested one. It's definitely You. This is the Hwarang OST and I have watched Hwarang, so I'm sure I've somewhere or the other I would have heard this song. So let's see, this is sung by Jin and Taeyang. So when I watched Hwarang, I didn't know that was the case, that they had actually sung the OST for this series. So it's really exciting. So I'm going to be reacting to the lyric video, and because I found the lyric video, otherwise I would have just reacted to the original OST. I want to know the meaning of the lyrics, and maybe I would be able to connect it more because I have already watched the series. So yes, let's kickstart this OST week with It's Definitely You by Taeyang and Jin. Alright, let's start. Wow, so exciting. Nice. I can't recall if I've heard this song. The voices are going so well together. Oh, I vaguely remember this tune. I think I remember. This tune, na 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 na. This used to play in the background. Yes. Yeah. Oh yes. This part I recall. Yes. This used to play when the episode used to end sometimes. I think most of the time. Yes.
It's gonna be you. I can't let go.
Ooh. So is it a song that both these main leads are singing for that girl, the main girl? Or is this a song which these two leads sing for each other? You know, the friendship, because they are, you know, referring love, but friendship is also love, so could be either way, huh? The voices are blending together so well. I remember the na 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 part, yes.
It's gonna be you. Na 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 na. It's gonna be you. Na 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 na.
loved it. What a great song. Oh wow. Oh wow. It just instantly lifted my mood, guys. This song instantly lifted my mood. Let's stop this. Wow. I freaking loved it. Their voices go so well together. I just love the combo of Jin and Taeyang because the voices are so different, and yet the way they harmonize together is just beautiful. It's just freaking beautiful. Oh my god. Na, 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 I can let go. Na, 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 na. I love that part. And when the first verse started, there was this, like, the music stops and the guitar thing plays. I love that thing. Oh, beautiful. Who composed the song? Who composed it? Let me know. So yes, that was, I'm so glad I kickstarted OST week with this because this was the most requested one. I'm gonna follow it up tomorrow by the next most requested one. That was I think from Goblin, Stay With Me. So that's gonna be the next one. Yeah, so basically there's the True Beauty OST. So yes, I've chosen 7 songs, but this I wanted to react first. It's gonna be You because this was highly requested, and I completely understand. The vibe is so, I don't know, it's so bright. I love the vibe of the song. Overall, it just made me feel so happy. The guitar, their voices, the way, you know, the beat, the tempo is just perfect. I would love to play this song when I'm driving. It's just the perfect drive song for me. You know, this is the vibe that I want when I'm driving. You know, this is the vibe from the song that I want. So yes, that was my reaction. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you support, you know, throughout the OST week. And let's see, I'll end up, of course, watching a couple of these dramas. So Hwarang I've already watched, and True Beauty I'm watching currently, so yes. And from the remaining ones, let's see what I watch next. Alright guys, that's it from me. Do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.